Welcome to this month's edition of What's New in QuestionPro CX.
Everyone, here's a recap of all the exciting stuff the QuestionPro CX team has done, and we are showcasing what we've rolled out in the August build. So to begin with, we've enhanced the UI UX of the dashboard screen to provide a lighter kind of experience to you guys. What we've enhanced is the top bar and the sidebar of the screen. So let's talk about the sidebar first. To perform certain actions, we need to click on the dashboard and hover it to select the options. So if you can see, we have the sticky button at the bottom of the screen which says it's a new. Whenever you want to have a add a new dashboard to the list, and then when you click on any of these dashboards, let's say. And when you click on to these three dots, you can perform certain actions. So let's say if I have to rename the dashboard, so I'll just click on rename. I can just put it as CSAT 3 pointer. I'll save it and this gets renamed. Assumingly, I want to turn on the visibility, which means it is kind of a shared one, a shared portal, like it's a shared dashboard. I'll just turn on the toggle functionality. I'll just toggle it on and I'll just save it. Now you can see a globe icon which indicates it's a shared dashboard. Moving further, let's say if I wish to delete the dashboard, I'll just click on this and I'll just see this confirmation message. I'll click on yes. My dashboard, this particular will get deleted. These are the enhancements that we have incorporated in the August sprint for the sidebar. Moving on to the top bar, if you can see, there is a key bar menu, these three dots. When you click on this, you'll see, there's this pop-up opens with all these functionalities. So let's say for this particular dashboard, I haven't added any widget. I would like to add any widget. Just click on add widget. It's the same. You just add any widget that you wish to. Assuming I'm doing this, I can see the widgets. It's simple as always. Assumingly you have to edit a widget, so what you have to do is you can just click on edit widget. You can click on the pencil icon, you can work it along, and once you're done with editing the widget and editing this part, you can just click on the save button. Again, you are doing the same part whatever was earlier. So the functionality, what we've tried to maintain is the functionality remains the same, but you should have the better experience over that. Let's see if I have to share this particular thing with any of the managers, so I can add the managers over here. Let's say I have one manager, I can just share this with this manager that I've added. Excel report is something that will make you able to download this particular whatever is there on your dashboard part. And settings the same as before, like you can set up your themes and you can set up your NPS benchmark over it. Now moving forward, this is what we have done for the August from the perspective from the dashboard. We've done other major enhancements as well. So what we've done is we've improvised our Canvas widget APIs. So earlier it was more of the sync calls, but then we have improvised it to be into an asynchronous calls. If you wish to get in touch with our customer success team, we can help you out with all these APIs setting up for your Canvas widget. Then last but not the least, we've also built a few APIs just to increase the capability of our CX system. And you can find the list over here, and you can again contact the customer success team if you wish to have, if you wish to understand any of these APIs. So again, the lighter for you was like we've also fixed down the other parts, which includes the filtering that you see here. So this product segment and product group earlier, you are able to hide now based upon your organization's segments that they have. If they have the product or the product group or segments like that, so you can hide, or if not, then not. So that's another thing. And also from the templates part, so if you go to deploy and you have, let's say, any templates selected, And when you go to the admin, you set up a workflow rule, and when you select the templates from here in the drop down, earlier they were showing the white spaces when we had a lot of templates down here, but right now we fixed that issue as well, so there are no white spaces that can be seen. So yeah, we've done this much. This is a lot that we've done for the CX of the sprint. So stay tuned for more updates like this. And yeah, that's it. Finding it out. Thank you.
For the full list of what's new in QuestionPro CX, check out our release notes in our updates page.